Struggling to find the Instagram repost button? If that tiny sharing icon, the two arrows, has vanished or never appeared, it's likely due to simple setting restriction or an outdated app. Here's how to fix it, starting with the most common solutions. Step 1. Enable reposts in your settings. If your account isn't set to allow sharing, the option won't appear for you or others. Go to your profile and tap the 3 horizontal lines menu in the top right. Scroll down for sharing and reuse, or you could just search sharing and reuse here. Okay, and ensure the toggle for reposts on posts and reels are turned on. Okay, step 2, update the Instagram app. Go ahead to your App Store or Google Play. The repost button is a newer feature, and if you're running an old version of Instagram, you will not see it. So search for Instagram and check if there is a new update. Right? If there is a new update, just go ahead and hit the update button, right? If available. Step 3, log out and back in. This clears temporary cache issues that can cause features to disappear. Go to your profile, tap the menu again, right? The 3 horizontal line. Scroll a bit down and hit log out. Close the app completely, then log back in. Check if the post is public. Instagram only allows you to repost content from public accounts, right? If the post you are trying to share is from a private account, the repost button will not appear. Okay. Lastly, switch account types. Sometimes your account settings get stuck. Switch from personal account to professional or creator account, then back to personal or vice versa in your settings to force a refresh. So go ahead and hit your profile at the bottom right. Hit the 3 horizontal lines at the top right. Inside, what I'm going to do, I'm going to scroll a little bit down and find account type. So let me find it here. Yeah, let me search for it. Account type and tools. Inside, if you have a personal account, you can switch to a professional account. If you have a professional account, you could just switch back in to a personal account, right? So you can just hit switch account type, right? And then a pop-up window will show up. Hit personal account, right? Key things to remember. If you still don't have it, the feature might not have been fully rolled out to your region or account type yet. You can only repost original content. You cannot repost a repost. Okay? So consider liking this video, subscribe. It really helps the channel. See you in the next one.